Witam again to Mango Daddy Kitchen. I said let's start with ice cream, the Maltese ice cream, gelat tan-nanna, which if we translate to Polish would be Lody babci. And I will explain how we will make it step by step. So let's start. So get a bowl and we'll need 600 milliliters of water, (800 milliliters of evaporated milk, sugar, two cinnamon sticks, 2 skins of lemon, and some vanilla essence. Now one key component is we need a thermometer to check the temperature, because we're gonna put it on the stove and we let it to warm until it's around 90 degrees. So let's move it to there. We give it a good mix so the sugar starts dissolving with the water and the milk. I suggest you to keep a watchful eye for the mixture, because in an instant it will bubble and then you ruin the mixture for the ice cream. Now the mixture, we let it cool off. Once it cools off, we put it in the fridge overnight. So we continue for the ice cream tomorrow. So after we left it for the night to get cold and get more of the taste, it's time to make the ice cream. So I'm gonna use an ice cream machine. I bought a cheap one. You can make it by hand, but it will take a lot of time. You just need to make a bain-marie, but instead of water on the bottom it would be filled with ice, and you turn the top, or you turn with your hand to churn the ice cream. So I'm gonna filter it from the lemon and the cinnamon sticks, put it in the ice cream machine, and turn it on. Now before I turn it on, this one will take around 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes to be done. Then I put it a bit in the freezer to settle. Before I put it in the freezer, usually I add either candied peel or walnuts, chopped walnuts, or any chopped nuts, even fruit if you want. That's up to you. So let's start it and we'll see in a 45 minutes. So I decorated with some toffee on top, a piece of rice paper, some fruit. The kids, they're gonna love it. So with that, I hope you try it. Thank you. Please share, subscribe and like, and we'll see you for another video. Do zobaczenia.